Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 11. Jackie buys 3 hot dogs and 1 pretzel from a restaurant for $12.25. Sylvia buys 2 hot dogs and 4 pretzels from the same restaurant for $16.50. Which system of equations can be used to determine the price of hot dogs, H, and pretzels, P, at the restaurant? Okay, so the easiest way to do this is just look at the information you have and write your equations out and then see which answer you have. Sometimes when you try to pick these without writing out what it says up here, that you may pick the wrong one because these are all very similar answers. All right, so Jackie buys 3 hot dogs, so that's going to be 3 hot dogs and 1 pretzel for $12.25. So that's my first equation. And then Sylvia buys 2 hot dogs, so 2H, and 4 pretzels at the same restaurant for $16.50. All right, so once you have the equations set up, you have your system of equations, you just have to match it with the answer choice. So the first one says 2 hot dogs and 1 pretzel, so that's not any of those. And this one says 3 hot dogs and 2 pretzels, so that's not it. 2 hot dogs and 4 pretzels, that's not it. And the last one says 3 hot dogs plus 1 pretzel is $12.25, so that's correct. And 2 hot dogs plus 4 pretzels is $16.50. Since that's correct, that is our correct answer. So number 11 is D.